Hello everyone, in this video I am going to share you how to prepare oatmeal. You will know how to cook this oatmeal on top of a gas stove. This is an oatmeal recipe idea that I would love to share with all of you in this video. The easiest recipe you have ever tried, and this simply tastes delicious. It's creamy and most importantly a dairy-free recipe. To start with the recipe, warm up some water into a saucepan. Once the water is warm enough, add oats into it and quickly stir. Continue to cook for about 2 minutes or so. Do check the amount of ingredients that I have used in the description link below, along with some tips and tricks in my blog post. Now pour almond milk into it and stir. Continue to cook for a few minutes until the texture turns creamy and thick and the oats are soft enough. As you see, the texture looks thick and creamy. At this point, turn off the flame and transfer into a serving bowl. Once you transfer this into a serving bowl, top it up with any of your favorite fruits. Likewise, I have added some sliced strawberries and bananas along with some thin sliced almond flakes, as these almond flakes add crunch into the meal and it's worth using these. Lastly, drizzle up some strawberry sauce or honey or any sweetener of choice. Also, as a tip, you may prepare oatmeal and store it in a refrigerator to use the other day in the morning to save your time. Just heat in a microwave and use. Pour in some more milk to adjust the consistency if you want. But make sure not to add the toppings when you store these. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.